So I just got myself this new Milwaukee M18 combo kit. It's a CBLPP2B with 502C. It has two 5 amp batteries, at least it's supposed to. So let's unpack it and see what's inside. Here's how it looks when you open the box. So a drill, battery level 1. I guess you need to remove this. Start. So it works, that's good. Has variable torque. Variable speed. It's a bit hard to push it, but okay. And here's the impact. Also, battery level 1. Light. It seems it doesn't have variable speed. I think so. I can't find it. But okay. I guess this model doesn't have it. There's also the charger and manuals. And that's it. But what else do you need? So I'll put this back. I want to test them. Now I grabbed a couple of screws. I have 2 bits. One was longer. I guess I'll put it in the impact. And drill. I should clamp this down. Well, a lot of torque. But for this test I'll simply do it at 5. Shouldn't be too strong. And the last one. Split it in half. So this was not a heavy duty task, but I wanted to test do they work, and they both do, so that's good. So the conclusion is they work. They look pretty good. I've used Milwaukee drills before. I have an M12 that I've used for I don't know how many years, 6 or 7. It's still going, but I wanted to upgrade. So, and the main reason why I bought these was that I wanted the batteries. It was less expensive to buy them as a kit than separately, so I just got myself a new set of tools. So yeah, that's just about it. I like them. They're a bit clunky, but I'm used to the M12, so but they look pretty sturdy. Work pretty good. Yeah, this is actually my first impact wrench, so yeah, let's see how it goes. But it did the trick pretty good. I'm surprised that it actually generated less torque than the drill on the hand. I don't know how it works. It has different motion, I think, because when I held the piece, I actually had less resistance from the impact, but I think it drove the screw a bit faster. So I don't know what's about that, but yeah, that's just about it. Let me know, what do you think? I think I paid about 350 euros for the set. I guess that's about $380 or something like that. So let me know, what are the prices in your country? For me, where I live, that was the cheapest I found for 2 5-amp batteries. There were other sets with 4-amp batteries or even less, but I wanted the 5-amp so they work with other larger tools also. For the drills, I think I'll get most likely one 2-amp battery, so I have a smaller battery to exchange with if I have a lesser task, because they are pretty heavy. But overall, I'm satisfied. So let me know what you think. Bye.